Today, a new look for the derby cover on my Deluxe. Today I'm going to be installing this Early Bird derby cover conversion kit on my Deluxe. Let's go over it. So here's basically what the kit includes. This is the actual derby cover. Instructions, of course. 2 gaskets, which we'll explain in a minute. And then the old school looking derby cover. Okay, I didn't get a really clear shot of that derby cover just a second ago, so here's what it looks like and the rest of the kit. In the end, what we end up with is this look, and then these screws will go in and attach this cover to the actual primary cover, and they're slotted so it will give us that old school look. First order of business is to drain the primary. I've already let it get hot. That's the easiest way. Okay, the derby cover is off. I'm going to be checking my clutch adjustment while I'm here. I'm not going to do a video on that. There's plenty of them out there. We'll skip to the next step. I just put this up on a stand so it'll be nice and vertical when I'm putting the parts on, and we'll get to that in just a second. You're going to want to align 3 things here: the bolt that holds the cover on, the bolt for the fake cover, and then that center raised section of the derby cover. That way when you go to put the derby cover on, it lines up. And there is the cover fully installed. The instructions call for a tiny dab of blue Loctite, which I put on, and these little rubber O-rings to act as a washer. The next thing to go on will be this trim ring, which fits on, and then the derby cover will go right on top of that. Just cinch down these, hand tight, elbow torque, whatever you want to call it. Okay, so here's the finished product. I know a lot of people may say, oh, it's not a pan head, don't make it look like something it's not. But the Deluxe is a nostalgic bike anyway. So it's trying to be old school. And I think that derby cover looks pretty good.